I just can't, those $1,000 computers people walk around with. iPhones. I can't do it. I can't
You
see
can't do it.
No.
Your daughter got one down there.
Yeah, I don't take care of nothing that well. Not even her to keep up with those.
Well, we're going to pretend like that wasn't say it.
I'm such to leave it on the register, walk out the store, be in the bathroom stall, lost in the car. Girl, I can't pay that money for no phone.
Keys too, but she like that with the keys.
Nah, I don't lose my keys now.
She got them keys real bad.
I ain't got time to be paying for those. Cause that's to get back in your car, in your house and stuff.
Real expensive.
I locked myself out the car one time, and it was a $200 lesson or $150 something. It was ridiculous, whatever it was, and I was in the country, around the corner from Mama house.
Oh my gosh!
So I had to call.
How you do that?
Honey, I don't know. I called the locksmith. He came out there, got my little keys out, and I was like, "Hey, whoever you are, how are you doing?" Here with Zaria.
Hi.
Hey, little girl. Hey. Okay, little Paul Mitchell. I'm just messing with you because your shirt.
I be hot wearing this shirt too, but it be cold in my school. People look at me crazy like, why are you wearing
In the building, yeah.
It is cold, so.
Zab here about to make a way out of nowhere, y'all. Baby, this hair falling out left and right. Do you understand? Long strands, ain't got no edges. All of them gone.
Not all of them.
Well, a good portion, honey. Look like I got crater caps by the side.
Oh my goodness.
They'll grow back though. They just fall out and come back, fall out and come back.
Often?
No, but yeah,
well,
once a year. I mean, but not like, normally not as bad as they have done this time. Like, they get a little thin, but now they like, whew, ridiculous. So little girls on YouTube, they make it seem like it take just one little swoosh, pop it on, bam, 10 seconds. You just fabulous.
Sometimes, yeah. It just depends.
I don't believe it. Maybe for you hairstylists, but regular people can't do this stuff.
You right. I done had a couple people tell me, I tried that 10-second stuff. That don't work for me.
I've been had my whole eyelashes glued together fooling around with this.
I cannot.
Just saying, tell the truth.
Now I have a remover. If you have a hard time getting the wig off, you can come back and get removed.
Okay. Hey, installation and remover. Hey.
I can't.
Lala! Hey, girl. How you doing? Oh, wait, what I do? Sorry.
I hope they can see that.
Oh. Hope all is well, honey.
What did I do with my makeup brush?
Got my braid down underneath here. Nice and smooth.
Yes. You nervous?
I've done one. You know, your mama did one for my wedding.
That's right. That's right. So this is not your first go round.
No, I just didn't know how to
put it on.
I took it off. You know, I'm sweating and everything, so I took it off and I thought maybe put it back on, and I didn't. And I don't even know where the hair it got lost in transition, honey. I ain't no telling.
It's okay. It happens. I do that all the time.
So I'm like, I have no idea where that hair is. It's some good hair. I only wore that one day. It was cut fine.
It was so pretty.
Yeah, real fine.
It was real pretty. Mom did that. She did that.
But I was like, I don't know where this hair is. What did I do with it? I'm putting it up. Lala said she wanted to see. Do you do makeup too?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
You want me to do your makeup? I can do mine all day, but
you can't. Okay, all right. Just asking. All right.
That's a trial and error. I'm telling you, that's some trial and error, Bridget.
The tutorials be like, oh, just do this and do this, and then I'm like, y'all on step 19.
I can't keep up.
I can't do this.
You sure said I don't be able to keep up.
Hey, Lena. How you doing, girl? I'm getting hooked up. Dolled up. Ooh.
Where you get this wig from?
Amazon.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
that's really nice.
And I can do all that 24 inches and 29 inches.
It's okay. It's too hot.
It's just,
I'm gonna cut this too bad.
just a little bit of, you know.
I promise you, I don't feel bad for you.
I saw some girls that had braids to their ankle.
Oh yeah, they do that. That's so.
And then I saw a girl with some weave past her booty, like to her knees. I was like, what is this?
I don't know what the world coming into, but you won't see me doing it.
I was like, that's too much weight. That's too much.
That's too much. You spend all that money on that. Okay.
Then how do you go to the restroom? Like, it's already hard enough. Your hair too long, you gotta go flush, and then your hair fall down, you gotta try to switch it.
Yeah.
It was just too much. I'm like, how they wash their back and their butts? Like, it's too much.
Say the nails too.
Oh yeah, I can't. I just always say people who have them super long, they ain't clean.
I can't do that.
Wouldn't eat behind them. Lala, you want some? You want your braids to your boot tag? Okay, yeah, so I did cut this wig myself. I shouldn't have. But did I butcher it?
Did you butcher it?
Yes.
No.
Okay, all right.
Oh, Lord. Okay, it's already glued. It's already down. Just swap the side, the part around.
Just FYI, just go to the person you're going to go to, book Zai. Don't do it yourself if you like me and not talented.
Oh, gosh. No, you did good on the lace.
Oh, okay. I'm just telling the truth. I was like, I can do this. Nope. I couldn't and I got scared.
Oh, my gosh. And you stop from there. Here's my mommy calling.
Yeah, do I need to stop live?
You don't have to.
Okay, all right.
Hello, Mother. Bridget can hear you.
And Facebook Live.
And Facebook Live.
What's CC mama name? I can't think of her name.
Miss Payton.
Me too.
Miss Payton, I think.
Peyton.
I think so. What happened?
Because I'm trying to see if she'll let me use her address so Jamar can go.
Oh, okay. You want her number?
I'm singing so y'all can hear the conversation over
Oh,
there.
I'm sorry. You want
you
her
know?
number?
Yeah, get it to her.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
Thank you.
That was a little private, so I was trying to, sing over that one. Yeah. I was like, oh, yay.
Okay. Nobody heard it. I don't think.
Lala, you gonna do my makeup for me once I get my hair together? Because your makeup always cute. That's not a bad length.
What's that? What you get,
I think
16?
yeah, 16. What? No, I don't think it was 18. I think it was 16. I was being real cheap. Because you don't never know what you're going to get when you
Order.
Yeah. I was like, pay the money for the length of it.
That turned stuck.
Oh, okay. So it do be true. I thought they be lying. Okay, good.
I think I actually like this side better though.
Okay.
Okay, Bridget.
All right.
Hot mama. Y'all, Bridget is a hot mom.
Be in these streets, starting.
I hope your husband don't see that or hear it. Bridget is a hot mom. Hot mom summer.
Yeah.
What they say? Hot mom.
Hot mom something. Oh, I saw the video. It was ridiculous.
Something else.
No, you don't. You lying. Your makeup always on point. Like everything about it be on point. Talking she be guessing, girl. Bye. Come in, don't even look like she got makeup on. I'm like, you got makeup on now.
Oh, that's the good stuff. I can't do makeup like that. My friends helped me do my makeup for my friend, one of my friends' wedding. She recently got married.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not good at makeup. I can do my eyebrows. That's as far as it gets.
Oh.
But I'm not too good at it. I be wanting to be good at it. They on YouTube and TikTok, and they make it look like it's so easy. But on my end, can't do it. Even my cousin, Beyonce and her daughter, she tried
Oh, her
to show
makeup's
me.
always cute.
I was just like, okay, you know what? You do that. I'll just keep it simple. That's why I don't wear it like that. Y'all, right now I'm putting her makeup in her part. Give it a little blend in with her skin a little bit. To give it a little oomph in the look. And it might look a little bright now, but it'll blend in. See?
All right.
It's cute. I like this wig. You have to send me the link.
I sure will.
Oh.
It's feel really light. I like it.
Does
Like I don't.
feel heavy.
It's like I don't even have it on my head.
We love it that way.
Yes.
I like that heavy hair. It be some heavy hair out here. I didn't know hair can weigh so much.
Yeah.
It's so crazy. Bridget, are we doing baby hairs or no?
That's fine.
Okay, I'll do a little bit. I ain't gonna give you a good exotic.
Don't have me looking like I just came out to the world like a real baby. Just
I got
I
you.
feel them. A toddler. Some toddler hair. Don't give me.
I'm gonna give you real subtle. Real subtle. Bridget, you gotta do 4 days.
4.
Yeah.
I told you I'm trying to keep it. I'm trying to keep it up for real.
Okay.
Cause otherwise I'm just gonna be walking around with my 2 little twigs on the side of my head, looking crazy, like a homeless person.
Okay. I remember you said this.
And other people at work probably be like, "That girl, come here looking homeless every day." Every day. Like,
What you do at work? What do work you do?
administrative.
Oh, for students?
Mm-hmm. And those students are on campus. Well, they'll be on campus next week, but ain't nobody
Okay.
there. So,
You ain't doing nothing. Just there, working. Well, give me hours.
I'm in chill mode. I was on there for real, girl. You just pulled it and he moved.
No, it's on there. Yeah, it's on there. I said it was on there. It's on there.
Oh, shucks there.
Yes. We love it.
Yeah. Wait a minute now.
Yeah, it's on there good. It's waterproof too. So if you take showers or anything.
Okay. Yes, and hey, Jean. How you doing, girl? Get my life together for a minute, because been walking around here looking crazy for so long. Yep.
We ain't gonna tell nobody.
Well, I've been home. Had a little procedure, so I've been home for about 4 or 5 weeks now.
5 weeks. It's okay. Been at home with the kids.
I'm so glad school got started.
When y'all start back?
Monday. I got a million masks I'm ready for. Mask.
What grade your son going to?
4th grade.
4th. Oh, him such a young man.
Yep. Vitamins. Come on in here.
Yeah,
Get
I
these.
keep them. Ooh, I vitamins it
Get
up.
these vitamins.
Orange
Get this
juice.
mask.
Orange juices it up too.
Get on to class. Get this hand sanitizer. These wipes. Stay out of people's face.
What school they attend?
L.R. Jackson Wonder.
They like it.
They don't know no better. You know when you're in elementary, you like everything. She just did kindergarten, so she's 1st grade. She's still in love with school.
She's youngin'. She after a while she'll hate it.
Yeah, she's still in love. Like, she had such a good teacher last year. So I hope she has a good teacher. Well, I think all the teachers there are good. I'm not just saying it.
Right.
It's only like, because Snare went this. It's only like 2 teachers I'd be like,
Suspect.
Yeah. And I just think they don't really like their jobs and just.
They just there.
There.
I don't like those teachers. Bad teachers. What are you working here for? Please explain to me.
So. So give me some baby. Every day my baby coming in and be like, Mom, you gonna lay my edge? I don't know what a layer edge is.
No, she didn't, did she?
Sunday. So her hair had to be redone, rebraided. She coming in, Mom, I need my edges done for church. I'm like, baby, I don't know what to tell you. When we was doing edges, all we did was just swoop them to the side. We didn't do all this swirling and twirling.
There's a lot of swirling and twirling and edges.
Okay, Jean, I will. Yeah, you know, back in the day, it was just like that one piece right there. You just slide it down, and then maybe your little tips down here. That's it.
That's it?
But now, y'all have like 20 pieces of hair laid down. Every direction.
Swirl, twirl.
Be serious. Like, what you know about some edge control and some baby hairs?
Ooh, swooped.
How do you feel about the painted tattoo edges?
That's a little suspect, Bridget. Those are suspect. Don't tell me you tried those.
No.
Okay.
You know how Instagram had those ads and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the girl had tattooed her, put the little thing and tattooed the edges on there.
Girl, I cannot. I saw it in beauty supply the other day. Someone was like, try. And I was like,
It looked like it could work, but I'm thinking, what they can do, their cameras, it might not be able to be that cute, like they trying to make it look. So I was like, I don't know.
I agree.
I just wasn't for sure if that was trustworthy. Then I saw another girl, she clipped the track hair, like the end of the track hair, glued it to her
No.
glued it to her forehead, and then styled her hair. I was like, okay.
They just come up with a lot of different things nowadays.
Yeah.
asking Erica when you getting your wig put on. She think you getting suppressed too.
She don't even know I'm getting my hair done. She at work. I didn't even tell her. She'll be jealous.
Oh, why you didn't tell me you was going?
She don't think she can be cute. Now, how long these edges lay before they get crusted and I have to try to figure them out again?
Just depend on you.
Okay. So
I give you some reps to put across.
If I put the thing, yeah, I got like those the ones that you're supposed to wear underneath your wig, the grips.
Oh.
I got a couple of those. Does that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. My flat irons be getting a little bit too hot. Thought they was burning the top of the thing. Okay, I put this on top of there.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all have to excuse my hair. It got a little hot at school today, so I pulled it back. I want my edges to sweat out. I look good though. I tried a new color too. So
I like that color.
Thank
It's like a copper on an orange, kind of.
I tried something new. I always do black and brown or red. Or, that's it. Oh, I did blue for my birthday. That was really out of the box. I was so nervous.
It was cute though.
Thanks. Alright, we're gonna get the curling.
All right. Thank you, sweetie. That's from Zaria, because she didn't read it.
What?
She said it's nice.
Oh,
You talk about your hair
thanks.
color.
Thanks.
You know, the comments always come up delayed, like super delayed. Sometimes in the middle of you like, what
And
are
then
they
you
talking
won't see them
about? Yeah.
sometimes after the live.
Oh, yeah, that,
Like,
yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't see your comment.
I'm going to have to go have a dinner date with my husband, huh?
Yes. I'm like, who is this woman?
I
walking
know.
around the house? Who's this?
I don't know if anybody's going to be open now.
Probably
People
not.
close so
Everything closed so
early.
early.
Yeah, like 9, 10 o'clock.
What time does your husband work?
Oh, girl, he got like 8 jobs.
Oh.
He work until he fall out and go to sleep. From 3 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at nighttime, honey.
Oh, Lord. That's tired.
Mm-hmm.
Tell him his health come first.
Ain't nothing wrong with him. Girl, he a man. He let them work while they want to work.
You're right. You're right.
If he ain't working, he doing something else. He ain't got a business. So work, work, work.
Yeah. Yeah. Very true.
Ah.
You said that one.
She said pick up some food. That's probably what's gonna happen, honey. I'm a sleepyhead. Girl, I like to go sleep early.
What's your bedtime?
8 o'clock if I can get there.
Oh. I'm sorry. Mine's usually around 9.
Yep. If I'm on my regular schedule, I can be in bed like 8, 9, 10 o'clock max, but, you know.
What time the kids usually go to bed?
Girl, I don't know. We sleep. When I enforce the law, it's getting to bed at 8:30. We try to be asleep by 9.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, 8 o'clock, you be trying to take a bath, take a shower, take something.
Yeah.
Wind down.
Go sleep.
But sometimes they just been, girl, I don't know what time they been going to bed. When they pass out, I guess, I don't know. I think Sunday I'm going to take them out, get them real tired, so they can want to go to bed early.
Or like to the park or something.
Wake them up with the crack of dawn so they can get ready.
Oh, yeah. You think they're going to be excited about the first day of school?
Summer, but not Tony.
Okay.
He hates school.
Well, he can get to that point.
Yeah. No, he's always hated school.
That's funny.
Yep.
I don't really like school either.
He hates it.
I don't blame him.
Now, every morning this summer, he's been up before 7 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah, wait till school
Watching
start.
TV?
Oh, just up. He can go to bed at 1 o'clock in the morning, he'll be up 7 o'clock. School start, he ain't gonna be able to get up before 7.
That is hilarious.
I don't know how y'all work that flat iron like that. I promise you.
You can't get it to work like that.
Honey, I try to curl my hair with the flat iron. It had one little bend in it, and it just make your hair go the wrong direction.
That's funny. A lot of people don't know. I can't do the barrel curls.
Like the Marcel thing?
Well, I can do the Marcel's.
Uh-huh.
I can do them. But I can't do the other ones. The ones that like the little spring curlers with the...
old school?
Yeah, I can do
Girl, that's the only way I can curl my hair.
It's hard. I be trying to practice, but I be like, you know what, Marcel it is.
Girl, the old school, roll that sucker under, that's it.
Marcel it is. I'm stay with the Marcels.
Them things roll around, you gotta know how to hold them, for real.
I find it easier, personally.
I've touched them before, but I'm like,
Hey.
you gotta know how to wiggle your fingers right. It's like doing a baton or something.
I remember the first time I burnt myself. I was Lord. That wasn't no pretty feeling at all. Your friends is really on here watching.
Yeah, Lala said she wanna watch to the end.
Oh, okay.
You can call him, girl. I promise you. That joker. Oh, she said let him work you. That's right. That joker work from sun up to sundown, literally most days. Like, seriously.
Yeah.
But if he ain't complaining, I ain't complaining.
Right.
So not. Wait, I gotta get a good angle. There you go.
You gonna put some flexi rods on these tonight?
Oh, Emma. Okay, so I got a Walmart then.
Well, what was you gonna do?
Go to sleep.
Bridget. Girl. Bridget.
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta put some flexi rods on these or something. Or I pin them up before you leave.
I'll get some flexi rods.
Okay.
Because they ain't gonna know how to pin up nothing. Well, yeah, nah, because see, I gotta go in the house, you know. Cute.
yeah. Ooh, mama.
Yeah, I gotta go in the house. Cute. Summer Bunny is at my mama's house, so she won't get to see me till tomorrow.
She like going over grandma's house?
All the time. If I could pack her up and take over there and leave her, she wouldn't tell me to come back and get her.
How long you usually let her stay over there?
Oh, it's not how long I let her stay.
Oh, how long grandma let her stay? Okay.
She can come over on Thursdays. And then sometimes she sneaks Friday and Saturday in there with it, but you know, depends on how the week going.
Mm-hmm. She still sewing?
Girl, no. She's crafting though. She's not sewing. She will craft.
Crafting. Oh God, my grandma's crafting.
Yeah.
Too much crafting. Got stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
Grandma. Girl.
I always buying something. Oh, I gotta get.
Yeah, get it.
Yep.
Okay. Grandma, all this stuff. Just finding stuff to do while they sitting at the house.
Mm-hmm.
I seen y'all took her out of town. What was that?
She wanted to go to Vegas. She went to Vegas in June.
Yeah, how was it?
Vegas was nice. Well, I guess it was nice. I had my children.
Yeah.
It was okay. It was fun.
That's okay.
For them.
Yeah. What y'all do?
We took them to a little indoor arcade at the hotel. Then went to the indoor amusement park. Ate at a couple different places. That was pretty much it. Swimming pool. You know, all you gotta do is take them to the pool.
The water, they gonna have a ball.
Yeah, that's it.
They gonna have a ball.
Went to the M&M store. Spent $2,000.
God, no.
I was like, I could have bought these same M&Ms from Walmart. Spent $3 and been done with it.
Too much. What was the difference?
It's the M&Ms. They weigh it. You know, they weigh that candy. So they had like a bag of candy, and I didn't think it was gonna be that much.
Mm-hmm.
We're on vacation, you know. I act like I'm rich on vacation.
It's okay.
So I was like,
Thank everybody.
yeah, just get what you want. Just get what you want. Get what you want.
That's fine.
We got to Christmas to pay this off. Well, you won't have no Christmas gifts. You know what I'm saying? Remember, you spent your Christmas in June. But girl, get to that register. I want to say the boy had like $20 worth of M&Ms in a little bag.
Oh no! Did they eat all that?
Yes, and they bought, I think 3 or 4 of the kids bought bags, and Dominique took them back to the Hershey store somewhere. I don't know. She probably spent another $3,000 on candy. I was like,
Ooh, shucks. Not for no candy. Can't do it.
Like, all right. But it was nice. It was hot, of course. It was hot all except for the last day. It actually rained in Vegas.
It rained the last day when I went to Myrtle Beach. The last day, it was like hailing.
Oh,
really
yeah.
bad. It was heavy. I was like, I've never seen anything like that. It hails here, but that was on a
Different,
whole
yeah.
other level. I was like, whoa. People still outside acting like nothing was going on.
I mean, they on the beach anyway getting wet, so they don't care about the water.
It's like, oh, God.
Yeah, we went a couple years back and it rained the last day. And it's just a different type of rain.
Yes.
It was like thick drops of water.
Yes.
And then it dried up like nothing had happened.
Yeah. And I was like, oh, I hope the world ain't finna end the way it rained over there.
The sound I used to hear when you used to get cramps. Crinkles in your head.
You used to get those.
Get them hard curves. Very move.
Did you get those? What you packing?
Updos. I got the curve. You know, when you get the updos and get the curve,
Right.
but you have to make sure they didn't go nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
I used to want cramps. They come back in style, but I don't want them now because they have them too long. Anybody got time for that?
Real long. Half at it.
Give me a little cramp ball or something like back in the day. You know, they just stopped at the shoulder.
Do that. That's super cute.
Yeah.
I bet that was super cute. Mama blowing my phone up. What you want, girl? I don't even think she heard the part when I said Bridget can hear you. She was like, I need that number.
Yeah, I don't think she heard it either. She was laser focused.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all can book Zaria. I tagged her in this Facebook post.
Yes. My
So-
link is in my bio, guys.
Yes. Look who trying to watch. Girl, go back to work. It's America.
Hey, girl.
Trying to be nosy.
What time she get out?
10:45.
She driving?
She got a car.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Yeah. She said a little money, want to get a car, got a car.
That's good. Type car.
A Honda Accord.
Oh,
The most reliable.
training.
Yes.
Yes, they're very reliable. They last a long time.
Yep.
What year's hers?
15.
Ooh, hers newer. Mine's 13.
Okay.
Hey, they still running.
Yep.
What color?
Go. It's we bought it from my mom. She had a go Honda Accord she wanna drive. So light on the mouse.
Oh, that's good.
Knew what the maintenance was, so it was lovely.
That's awesome.
Lala, is Nola watching too? Nola is her pooch.
The dog?
Mm-hmm.
What those dogs look like? Are they cute?
Oh, I don't know what kind of dog it is. I just called it a pooch because it's a dog.
I can't with you.
I'm sorry, I don't know. I don't know it's a little chihuahua. I know what chihuahua is.
Don't
That's
y'all
about
got a
it.
dog?
Mm-mm.
I thought y'all did.
In the country, you have everything, but no. Not an animal lover.
You not?
Mm-mm. I got too many kids, girl. I got time to be feeding no animals.
My mom say the same thing. I didn't get a dog till I moved out.
Yeah, that's a whole nother person. You got to take them to the doctor.
Ooh, yeah.
Shots,
They-
vitamins, food, baths. Girl, that's responsibility.
Yeah.
I got 2 other humans I have to do that for, including myself.
Yeah, they're very expensive. They're very, very, very. with it. That's what Mama was talking about. Oh,
You
I don't want to take them back.
Gotta walk them. It's just too much work.
Yes, they want attention. Ooh, that's a little hot.
You got the little grips at the tip. That's kind of neat.
Keep me from not dropping it on nobody.
Okay, there you go. It's like that ring light got
I'm sorry. Let me spin it so you can.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Could have been my silk press, but I ain't had no edges.
I cannot. didn't know you was just silly.
Oh, look at her. Who messing up my life? Who this is? Oh, it's my son. I'm gonna have to call him back. I'm gonna call you back, son. Sorry, I'm hitting decline. Oh, he probably gonna be like, oh, mommy didn't answer. Sorry, son. Lala, don't call protective services on me because I didn't answer my son's phone call.
Oh, not him double calling.
Oh, that's what they do, baby. He probably at the door. Oh, he might be at the door. Okay, Lala, I'm gonna be back. He might be at home. Hello?
Hello. Hey, I was trying to see your location. I was trying to bring your prodigal son back home.
My baby. I am in Memphis, but I can call and see where Melvin is.
Okay.
He's probably at home or very close.
Okay.
So if you want to go ahead and take him, that's fine.
Well, I go by Walmart first, then, and we can go by Walmart. We ain't got no man street. Oh well, we go home. Got something in your suitcase? Okay. Well, we'll go by Walmart first, and then I'll call and see. Just let me know.
Okay, I mean, I'm going to be there in probably about 15 minutes, so that's fine. Just take him. He know how to let himself in. Camera's on.
You say you'll be there in about 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're going to be in Walmart then.
Okay.
Just let me know.
All right, that'll work.
Okay.
All right. Oh, it didn't even go off live. Huh. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That's a new one. Happen when you got a trap phone.
Oh, gosh.
Girl, I'm already feeling myself. Don't let me put a little mascara on. Bang it down. Oh.
Bridget, no, man.
I put a business suit on too much.
Girl.
Lala, I've been going to work with these shoes on. Like, literally, like, with a dress on and then my purple shoes on. I might actually, she said pretty. Thank you. I might actually put some real shoes on tomorrow. Like, I got some shoes under my desk in case, somebody walk up and I got... Ooh, you act just like your mama.
I'm sorry. I can't help
Ooh,
it.
she act like her mama, y'all. Be at the last one, she be patting the string and pat. I'm like, what are you?
I can't help it.
I'm like, it look good. What are you doing? Oh.
The camera not focusing. What are you doing?
They don't want to act right.
There we go. You heard my back pop.
Mm-hmm. It does. So my knees do sometimes.
Oh, mine do it all the time.
It's clicking and clacking.
Like, I'm not old yet. What are you doing? Ready.
All right, y'all. This is the finished product. I am very happy with it.
That's awesome.
Yes. Yes, yes. Got my curls bounce around with. Got me some baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? Some baby hairs, some toddler hairs. I ain't want all them thousands of swoops. Got me some toddler hair right here. Yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
2 little swoops.
Now, she want me to go home and flex her out this hair.
Are you serious?
We gonna try and hope it come out like this tomorrow. So we gonna just we gonna try to do our best for it to look like this tomorrow, okay? Because y'all know not to do no hair or take care of none.
Girl.
All right, girl, I'm feeling it. All right, let me get off here so I can pay my way and get on to this house. Good night, Lala. Thank you for tuning in. Bookza. Spread the word. Help a young sister out. Are you 20 yet?
Almost. I'll be there in 2 months.
Almost 20. On her entrepreneur stuff.
Yes.
Game. Yes.
I'm getting there.
Yeah. All right.